second half i-Kaizer Chiefs came refreshed, honestly. I think lo mfana uSifiso Umfundo Vilakazi uchange game. Uchange game umfana. Also now this guy ucede ngizomnika i-credit, but Mfundo Vilakazi for me changed the game, sense of agency bekufuneka lento I think, but nabo mangacheka nje ba-overload iside laka right ngikhuluma nga-second half, so many crosses bebanendlela eyi-one okatheka. I think bringing Umfundo uyofike ngoba kufuneka ama-leader. Sometimes you need umuntu ozothatha i-responsibility. You can take instruction, bangayenza ama-sub from the bench. Uthole ukuthi indlala according to my instruction, there's nothing that enzoyenzeka. If strategy is saying ama-crosses, long balls, you're going to do the same nangama-sub win. But this boy, bekufuneka umuntu njengaye, we've got a strong character, othatha i-responsibility. Umfundo, this is what he must do. Namhla winele i-Kaizer Chiefs the game. Created a goal. I mean to say, he create a penalty, wayithatha wayikora. Today mfana ubonisile one ukuthi ibhola nyalazi. I think Naimele bamguy credit a chance, but Naimele's guy. He must be we should mabamniki chance. He must grab it with potence. I get away Samatolo Umfundo ibhola lazi. He's technically very good. Ngikhuluma into one ngomfundo every day, which is angikhathali kuyisho, because if he's doing well, I will say namhlanje he came on, he changed the complexion of the game. Ulethe sense of agency, vision. Wadlala lamabhola behind the defense alabantu. I-Kaizer Chiefs second half ithenele defense, which is abole into abayenzile noMfundo Vilakazi.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.